Hello, welcome once more to the Sonny Slim Effect. Of course, you know the Sonny Slim Effect is your one-stop channel for the best online tutorial on how to make money and how to do things by yourself. Today, we are talking about Sound Me, how to cash out on Sound Me. Stay tuned. Sound Me is a program which enables you to use their sound to lay on your video background and you get paid. SoundMe is affiliated to TikTok, which is, of course, we know is the biggest and talk about social media right now. So people are making money through TikTok. But there's another way to earn with TikTok, which is SoundMe. SoundMe is that program that gives you sound for you to use on your video. Then you submit it to SoundMe and you get paid. So today our video is all about how to cash out your money when you make from SoundMe. So stay tuned, follow my procedures as I guide you through on how to cash out from SoundMe to PayPal. That is the only option to cash out from SoundMe. So watch my screen as I practice it and I successfully cashed out my money from SoundMe. So make sure you subscribe this channel, make sure you like, comment, and let's go there.
Here we are right now in our SoundMe page. This is our SoundMe page. You can see I've made $6.24, and my total views for all the videos I've submitted to my TikTok page, I've used to make video and posted on my TikTok page is 1.3k views. Here is what is available for me, $5.67, and I've created 8 videos. All the total audio I've used to create video is 8. So this is my handle here at Sonny Slim. You can see this is the page. These are my videos I've submitted. You can see 0 accepted, 3. I have 3 active running right now. These are the 3 latest videos I've made. I've used the audios of these 3 latest songs that I've been given to make video and posted on my TikTok page, and I've submitted it. So they are still engaging. So these are my 5 completed track that have made me $5 that I'm going to cash out. So let me head down to the email. Something like this is going to be sent to you. I think I do trash them, but let me find the email that was sent to me that I'm due for cash out. I'm going to get that email right now. Let me get the email. Okay. Yeah, this is the email. Your video has been approved. Your payment is on its way. You're all set. Hi, Sonny. Thanks for submitting your TikTok to SoundMe. It has been approved. So your payment, that's the email that you get. This is the kind of email from SoundMe. So my total earning is $6. So this red button, get paid. Let me click it. I've clicked get paid. You can see it says I should enter my PayPal address. So I'm going to put my PayPal address. This is my PayPal address. Confirm. So SoundMe is going to pay me the money. So it has gone. So let me head down to my dashboard. You can see I'm going to receive that money soon, and I'm going to let you guys know in my in the next moment once it arrives in my PayPal. So I've cashed out that money right now. So that's how SoundMe. That's how to transfer money from SoundMe creator platform to your PayPal account. You can see SoundMe is a company that gives you sounds for you to use in your videos, and you submit it. You submit the TikTok link back to SoundMe portal for acknowledgement. Then once your video starts gaining engagement, you get paid based based on the amount of money that is being assigned to that particular sound. If it is $1.20, the sound worth, you're gonna get paid that amount. So the more you keep accepting the sound, the more you keep making content with the sound and post it on your TikTok and submit it back to SoundMe portal, the more you make money. That's how SoundMe works. So let's wait for our money to arrive in my PayPal account.
Let's check our email and see the transfer SoundMe did to us. I'm sure by now it will have hit my PayPal. It took like 3 days to get to my PayPal from SoundMe to my PayPal. It took like 3 days before the money reflected to my PayPal. Now this is my email address that is linked to my PayPal. You can see I have a new notification, a new email. Sound LLC has sent you $5.57. That's the same $5.57 we cashed out from SoundMe. When you click it open, you will see SoundMe LLC sent you $5.77. There's your payment. This is the transaction ID. This is the date, 19th. So 20. Today is 20th or 20, no, today is 20th. So I made the withdrawal on 17th on Sunday. So it got to my PayPal on the 19th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 2 days or 3 days. I'm just seeing it right now. Today is 20th. I'm just seeing it right now. So let's say 3 days. So money received. So this is it. So let me head down to my PayPal. I've logged in my PayPal. You can see I was having $7 before, plus this $5.07 that just entered from SoundMe. You can see I have $13 now. So I want to transfer this money to my card. There's something I will do now. I will transfer the money to my card. I click on transfer. I want it to hit my card, my UBA Afi card, my UBA dollar card. I want it to go there right now. You can see I have two cards linked. Transfer dollar to, either I use my prepaid dollar or I use my prepaid naira, but please always use your prepaid dollar. I've already linked it to use it to verify my PayPal account. And if you want to get the UBA card, go to UBA card with your $10 and your ID card and your passport photograph and your utility bill. You'll be signed up for a UBA dollar card. It's very simple as that. So I'm transferring $13. I want to transfer $13 right now to my card. Let me say next. I want to transfer the whole money. You can see to my Visa prepaid card. You can see it will take $1 3 days transfer, but it will come immediately. It doesn't take time. So the transfer amount is $13.15. Transfer fee $5. You see PayPal charges a lot. They remove $5 and they are giving me $8. So let me transfer my $8 right now. $8 will hit my card. Your transfer is successful. Estimated arrival 1 to 3 days. It's going to arrive within some minutes. Yeah, all transfers we just do review and will be delayed in. So okay, done. I've transferred the $8. They remove $5 from the transaction. So I've gotten my alert right now, safe. I've gotten my alert. I'm going to show you guys. The screenshot of my alert. So right now, that's how SoundMe works. I transferred very easy. PayPal, my transfer was successful. You can see your money, your transferred money. You transferred money to your bank. Your Visa card, my card is now loaded with my money. So I can go and, if this money is a big money, I can go to UB and withdraw the money and hold the money. Or I can use my card and buy anything online and purchase anything online, my UBA card. So you guys should go and get that UBA card to use it to verify your PayPal account if you have a PayPal account. You can see more videos on my channel on how to create a foreign PayPal account as well for your TikTok usage and for your online business usage. And if you find this video very interesting and very informative, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the red notification bell, turn on the notification bell as well to receive more updates for new videos, and also make sure you comment any issues down below. I will be able to reply your comments and tutor you and guide you through this process. Thank you once more for watching this video on how to cash out from SoundMe to PayPal.